niyo sa June. Sa isang magazine, nagpa-interview na ako. Marami nagsasabi, baka wala ako sa June. Abangan niyo po sa isang magazine. Sinabi ko na po lahat.
Marami ang nag-aabang kung ano ba talaga ang pangakong announcement na ito ni Ogie Alcacid this June. And along the way, maraming speculations ang lumabas tungkol sa mga posible niyang i-reveal.
Ang wedding gown, according ulit sa isang malapit kay Ogie, ay gagawin ni Monique Luillier.
Oh.
Ano raw, isang sponsor ni Ogie na kamag-anak ni Monique Luillier ang sasagot daw ng wedding gown ni Regine na isusuot sa kasal nila.
And now, the long wait is over, even earlier than expected. Ang June 2007 issue ng Yes Magazine ang tinutukoy ni Ogie na paglalabasan ng kanyang tell-all interview kung saan niya gagawin ang nasabing announcement. An interview done by no less than Yes Magazine's editor-in-chief Joanne Maglipon herself together with respected entertainment writer Ana Pingol.
Sa pagkakasabi niya, Enero of this year, feeling niya maganda yung bukas ng taon sa kanya. And he feels like he wants to say something about his life, about himself. At the same time, to dispel some of the rumors na talaga namang hindi totoo. So, yun, sabi niya, mas gusto niyang magsalita na.
Nagsalita nga si Ogie, and it was indeed a tell-all interview.
Ever since, lahat tayo, speculations. Tinanong namin siya about those speculations and sumagot naman siya. So, umamin siya sa dalawang bagay.
Mga pag-aming buong puso raw ibinahagi ni Ogie. No lies, no pretensions, just the whole truth.
Pero iba pa rin pag narinig mo from his own mouth or pag nabasa mo yung sinabi niya, iba pa rin na yung confirmation of everything eh. Ibang klase pa rin. Nakakatulala pa rin for a while.
Confessions that reveal the side of Ogie Alcacid very much different from what we knew.
Kasi si Ogie at this point in his life, sa basa ko the past doesn't matter. He's just looking forward. At saka mas importante sa kanya yung ngayon. Pag binasa mo to, parang makikita mo rin yung totoong Ogie na hindi mo pa nakikita sa TV.
True enough, nang matanggap ng Showbiz Central ang manager's copy ng June 2007 issue ng Yes Magazine, he made announcements contained in a 16-page article. One from the past, one for the future. Ano-ano nga ba sa speculations na lumabas about his announcements ang totoo? Ang buong detalye ng kontrobersyal niyang tell-all interview, susunod na dahil taga Showbiz Central ka.
Welcome back here on Showbiz Central.
And the moment everyone is waiting for...
Nabasa mo na ba? Alam ko si Pia, kanina you were reading the Yes Magazine issue, yung 16 pages interview ni Ogie.
Matinding reading material yun dahil 16 pages long nga siya. But alam mo, mali nga yung pagka-plugging natin dahil hindi announcement ang ginawa ni Ogie Alcacid dito, kung hindi announcements.
Yes. At yung editor-in-chief mismo ng Yes Magazine ang sumulat ng article.
Actually,
at marami pang taong hindi nakakaalam kung ano talaga yung laman nun. Kasi it just came out today, di ba?
If I know, Anna must have been with Joanne when they sat down for the breakfast interview with Ogie. Alam mo naman yung dalawang yon, partners in crime yun lagi. Sabay silang nanggigrill ng mga tao for their magazine interviews.
We're supposed to have a countdown na 11 days kasi June ang pinangako ni Ogie. Siguro ang hindi alam ni Ogie, ang Yes Magazine issue every month lumalabas at least 2 weeks before of that certain month na ilalabas siya dapat.
Kaya nga maraming nagulat na lumabas na pala yung magazine today at yun na nga, ibibigyan natin yung detalye sa mga
Correct ka
kapuso
dyan,
natin.
Raymond. I hope sinagot ni Ogie rito yung matagal ng tanong kung talagang hiwalay na ba sila ni Michelle Van Aimeren.
Ay nako, there's only one way to find out. Let's watch it.
Ogie has always been a private person kapag pamilya na niya ang pag-uusapan. Pero hindi ito sapat para layuan ng intriga ang buhay may pamilya niya. Marami na rin ang lumabas tungkol sa totoong estado ng relasyon nila ng asawang si Michelle Van Aimeren. This time, Ogie decides to face the issue head-on at linawin ang mga bagay-bagay in his Yes Magazine interview, a realization that occurred to him early this year. He says,
Parang 2007 seems to be a good year for me, but deep inside me I said, I don't deserve a good year if I don't expose myself, or at least say something about what I've been hiding all this time.
Matapos nito, binitawan na ni Ogie ang una sa announcements niya. To quote,
I'm separated. Michelle and I are separated.
hindi idinetalye ni Ogie kung gaano na sila katagal hiwalay ni Michelle sa pakiusap na rin ng kanyang asawa.
There's a lot of pain, a lot of pain, a lot of heartache, a lot.
Hindi pa rin daw alam ng mga anak nilang sina Lila at Sarah ang lagay ng pagsasama ng kanilang mga magulang. Pero patuloy nilang sinisikap maging mabuting mga magulang sa mga ito. He even said,
At this point in our lives, I think Michelle and I realized so many things. We are great parents even though this was happening, and we are just the best of friends right now.
nang matanong tungkol sa lagay ng buhay ni Michelle sa Australia, muling tumanggi si Ogie na magdetalye. Ito ay pagrespeto na rin daw sa privacy ng dating asawa.
The big reason why she's there is because she wanted to live a private life, and I want to give that to her. Hindi ko na siya dapat isali pa sa anuman yung dinaraanan ko. All I have to say is that she's doing very, very well. I will not talk about Michelle's life.
Handa naman daw si Ogie na harapin kung anuman ang ibubunga ng hiwalayang ito, even if this would mean mababawasan ang panahong pwede niyang makita ang mga anak. Laying the separation issue on the table, totoo nga ba ang lumabas sa column ni Ricky Lo noong August 19, 2006 tungkol sa nakahanda ng annulment ng kasal nila ni Michelle?
There are still things that I still have to fix. I want to get clear on that. Legal or what, nothing has been done yet, and I'm not going to say anything about that. And that's why, when this news about me having an annulment came out, that's totally untrue.
Ang susunod na tanong, ano ang naging dahilan ng hiwalayang ito?
As of now, it is not important. Whatever the reason is for us, I guess there are a lot of reasons behind that. 1, there's some pain involved. 2, that was between me and Michelle. Sa amin na lang yon.
A lot of pain and a lot of reasons. Could one of these reasons be Regine Velasquez na patuloy pa ring nalilink sa kanya? This question eventually led to Ogie's next announcement in the interview, which will be revealed later. Ang susunod na paglalahad ni Ogie Alcacid, tutukan mo dahil taga Showbiz Central ka.
Alright, nakakaloka. So at least umamin na si Ogie.
Na-separated na
They're
pala sila.
separated.
Oo, matagal na yan eh.
Did this come as a surprise to people? I wonder. Tanong natin ang ating central jury.
Parang nakasmile na sila. Parang di sila nagulat.
Hindi kayo nagulat?
Nothing shocks us anymore.
Really, Tita Aster? Let's start with Ricky first. Ricky.
Actually, it was an anticlimactic announcement for
For
us.
you, it's anticlimactic.
Yung separation ni Ogie at Michelle.
The separation, because like the interracial union has been there, but you know, they've been separated by distance and everything, so there must be something wrong somewhere.
So tingin mo gaano nakatagal yung separation nila?
I don't know, Michelle left 4 years ago, so I think, you know,
Since then.
since then there were some cracks already.
Pag kinonect na dots mo, more or less 4 years nga.
Tita Aster, as you can see, napaka ano rin napaka in control pa rin ni Ogie, even
Yes.
as he gives this interview to Yes Magazine. Ni-reveal lang niya yung mga detalye na gusto niyang i-share dun sa mga viewers ng Yes Magazine, and now to the readers of Yes Magazine and to the viewers of Showbiz Central. Ikaw, Tita Aster, any ideas why?
You know, nasubaybayan ko yung love affair ni Ogie at saka ni Michelle. Kasi especially at that time, nasa Octo Arts pa ako. I remember pa nga, nung maging sila na, inaway-away ako ng parents ni, lalo na ng dad, si Martin, ni Michelle. Because they were not in favor of Ogie. But in fairness to Ogie, kasi si Ogie at that time, meron na siyang non-showbiz girlfriend.
Okay.
And they had plans of getting married at that time. Pero something naiba eh. So naging sila ni Michelle, pero I don't want to go into details.
In
kasi,
short, Tita Aster, are you saying it was another girl?
Well, it's not. Yung paghiwalay nila ni Michelle, parang gusto ko idikit kay Rufa at saka kay Ilmas because of the cultural differences as well. Diba? And the distance. Kasi how will it work? Just like with Ilmas at saka si Rufa, diba? Si Ilmas is far, tapos pupunta dito si Rufa, magkaiba ang kultura nila. Same thing with Michelle at saka si Ogie.
So talagang importante yung
Yes.
yung to be together talaga, no?
Yes.
If, as you say, this comes as no surprise to you guys, Ray, bakit sa tingin mo itinago pa ni Ogie ng pagkatagal-tagal
Bakit
yung
ganito
fact
katagal? Kung 4
na
years
separated na sila?
Ako, Ray, sabi mo nga, aminin.
Oh, correct.
Hindi kasi ganito yan, katulad nga sinabi ni Ogie, di ba meron din siyang pinoprotektahan, hindi lang si Michelle, kundi yung mga anak niya. Di ba parang napakabata pa ng mga batang ito, inilayo mo na nga, tapos magkakaroon pa ng ganitong klaseng announcement or intriga na hiwalay na yung parents nila. Siguro isa rin sa mga rason kung bakit, sa nakikita ko kasi base na rin sa nababasa kong personality ni Michelle, ayaw niya talaga ng showbiz. Kasi noon, di ba, in-interview namin si Michelle, in-interview natin si Michelle, ayaw niya ng mga intriga. Ayaw niya ng mga
Very
ganon.
sensitive siya sa intriga.
Sensitive siya sa intriga. Yun ang isa sa dahilan kung bakit siya umalis ng Pilipinas at nagpunta ng Australia kasama yung mga anak kasi ayaw nilang ma-involve sa mga intriga. Si Ogie okay lang naman eh. Okay, pero maganda kay Ogie. Marunong siya magdala at the same time, binigyan niya muna ng magandang oportunidad, magandang buhay yung pamilya niya bago siguro sila nag-decide na maghiwalay.
Alright.
Okay,
eto na ngayon. Mamaya, ang iba pang bahagi ng interview na yan ni Ogie Alcacid sa Yes Magazine. And this time, I hope, ang tanong ko naman, tanong ko kung sagutin niya kaya yung hiwalay na ba sila ni Michelle. Sana
Sinagot.
Ngayon naman.
Sinagot. Sana,
anong gusto mong tanong?
aba, aminin na kaya ni Ogie ang tunay na relasyon nila ni Miss Regine Velasquez.
Nako, kanina nasa SOP, nakita ko yung cameraman natin ng Showbiz Central sa SOP. So we have that exclusive footage sa pagbabalik ng Showbiz Central.
Tutukan mo dahil taga Showbiz Central ka. At kilatisin ang pruweba na pinakasalan nga raw ng sikat na aktres ang isang kapwa niya babae.
I'm separated. Michelle and I are separated.
Ito ang unang pag-amin ni Ogie sa tell-all interview niya sa Yes Magazine. And with the unexpected end of his relationship with Michelle Van Imeren, he decides to move on. And then managed to sum up his life today by saying,
I'm happy with how my life has turned out and I'm inspired.
Inspired nga siya marahil kaya niya ito nasabi. To quote,
I think what I'd like to say with regards to Regine, I'm in love with her. Very much.
pero hindi raw ito confirmation ng matagal nang nababalitang relasyon nilang dalawa. For even Ogie is not sure if Regine feels the same way for him.
With regard to her position towards me, well, you might want to ask her. I don't know, I mean, it's kind of mysterious how we are. When you see us in SOP, how would you react? And that basically is what we are.
Dinagdagan pa niya ito ng,
I'm in love with her. I'm crazy about her and she knows that.
in the same interview, sinabi rin ni Ogie ang dahilan kung bakit nahulog ang loob niya kay Regine.
She's very humbled about everything, even though she's freaking Regine Velasquez. She's very, very matulungin. I don't want to expound because she hates saying it, but she's that kind of person. She has a very good heart.
Nilinaw na rin ni Ogie sa interview niyang ito ang ilang issue na lumabas tungkol sa kanilang dalawa ni Regine, lalo na ang balitang nagle-live-in na sila.
No, that's not true.
Pero umiwas naman siya ng tanungin tungkol sa pagpapagawa na raw niya ng bahay para kay Regine.
I'm not prepared to talk about that yet. Not yet.
Bagay sila talaga eh, sa isa't isa. Pareho nilang passion yung music. Tsaka pareho silang masayahing tao and talagang nag-jive at nagbe-blend yung character nila. Boss Ogie at kay Miss Regine, kung ano man yung pinaplano ninyo, good luck. At susuportahan ko kung ano man yun and I wish you all the happiness. At sigurado ako nasa inyo ng lahat yun. And yun, good luck, good luck.
Feeling ako personally parang nakakatuwa, di ba? Para sa isang babae, ipangalandakan sa buong mundo kung gaano kamahal ng isang lalaki. Malaking bagay yun. And I'm happy for Regine, I'm happy for Ogie, and I hope maayos yung na dapat maayos para everybody happy, di ba? Walang hassle, walang dapat na isipin, walang nasasaktan, yung gano'n. Basta kung masaya sila, mas masaya ako para sa kanila, especially Regine. Pero happy naman ako na syempre naman sila sa amin na hindi naman mahal sa isa, di ba? Mahal ko naman yung dalawang yan eh. So syempre kung papayatan ko, I'll vote for them, di ba?
They're very, very good people. I would love them. So sana matanggap ng mga tao yung pag-ibig nila. And alam mo lahat naman ginawa nila sa mga.
Nasa set?
So nakikita ko, mukha silang happy-happy. Pero syempre, I don't know, I wouldn't know kasi hindi kasi ako nagtatanong.
Kami naman bilang mga kaibigan nila, kung saan sila happy, ganun din kami. Diba? Ako din naman, happy rin naman sila kung saan ako happy, di ba? I think hindi naman matagal na yan April 2 interview. Pero nung nahalata ako, medyo lately na lang. Pero ayun, hindi ko alam na nag-confirm na pala. Good for them. I hope they're happy and also I hope okay na bang isa sa mga concern ko and I think okay naman si Ogie tsaka si Michelle and the kids, which is important also. So mukhang maayos naman lahat. Thank you. Thank you.
Reaction lang po.
Kailangan ko ng material na nag-ano sa nag-dubay ko. Saan na si Leo? Pabli!
Ay, wag mo.
Now the truth has finally set Ogie free. Where it will lead from this point, nobody knows for sure. Ang tanging bagay na sigurado si Ogie sa ngayon, kung sakaling maging silangan ni Regine, handa siyang isakripisyo even his own career for her and their future family. Ending his interview by saying,
Siyempre, mahal mo yung tao and gusto mo may mangyari sa inyo. I think we're still getting there.